Yeah, so I'm not like it, get how I'm living. Low-key, I'm done with this music, down how I'm feeling. I got niggas won't kill me. Bro, be careful, drug dealing. Free my brother, I wish I could get him.
What's good, YouTube, y'all? We back with another video. As y'all can see by the title, we got the hood off. We got the hood pop, and y'all already know what's going on by the title. We're just finna take off the hood and get y'all a POV drive without the hood. This is my first time ever taking off the hood. I've seen a couple people doing it, my partners or whatnot, but I never even tried it. I never even looked that direction to even do some shit like this. But this is for y'all, this is for the YouTube, so whatever grab people's attention, whatever y'all want to see, I'm putting it out there. So let's go ahead and see what kind of, oh shit. Let's go ahead and see what kind of screws and size I need to go ahead and take this hood off. Pop the phone up so y'all can see. Can't see that a little bit, just a little bit. Yeah, I never did no shit like this. Shit crazy. Alright, ain't that bad. Got one side off. Got one side off. See if I can pop the phone up right here. Alright, y'all. Got this bitch off now, but I think I gotta take this shit off too, whatever this is. Y'all, I got it off, but I think I gotta take something. Trying to see how do I take this back thing off. Hold up, y'all. Alright, y'all, we got the hood off. Let's see if it's gonna remote start. I doubt it though. See if it's gonna remote start. Nah, it's not gonna remote start. I got a wasp flying around trying to sting a nigga. This shit look weird as fuck. Took the hood off this bitch. That bitch breathing now. But let's go ahead and get into the POV drive, man. go? Oh, you know you could've let me go. Ain't nobody fucking with me today. Or something. Probably sound louder because I ain't got the hood on. Need to put my seatbelt on. Put my seatbelt on right quick. That shit get annoying. I know people looking like, man, what the fuck? I wonder if the motor moving, like if it's shaking or not. It don't feel no difference though. Take their hood off just to take them off, I guess, when they slide. I understand with the Hellcats and shit, you can hear the whine and shit louder. Breathing better though without the hood. Intake now, that bitch still 100. It's 95 degrees out here. Nice as a bit. Them goals right there, no cap. This bitch do feel like it's getting up though, no cap. I do this crazy shit for y'all, man. I wonder if you can get pulled over for this shit for not having no hood on your car. Make sure ain't no cars coming. Back in the auto mall. Police usually be right here. Let me see if he ain't there today. Look at that shit. You can see everything. Y'all, that's it for the video, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below what kind of videos y'all would like to see.
V-Ray's going too hard though.